Title holders Cavalier went down to Racing United FC in Sunday's run for Jamaica Premier League. The result means they have lost as many matches as they have won after 11 games this season. And according to assistant coach David Layla, the lack of discipline has been costing them dearly.
After conceding 2 first-half goals against Racing United, it meant that Cavalier were on the back foot for the remainder of the game, but the fight got tougher when Jerome McCary was ejected on the hour mark. The expulsion meant that Cavalier were fighting with a man short against a team that is higher in the table than them. An uphill task that is, even when Romarian Thomas threw them a lifeline in the 76th minute to make it 2-1. However, goals from DeAndre Thomas and Tajay Grant meant there was no surrender for Racing United, who ran out 4-1 winners. But Cavaliers assistant coach David Layla is playing down their performance to indiscipline.
When indiscipline creep in, you know the end result, what that will be. And I think that was the nature of the game today for us at the end of the game. Because we should not have gotten that red card. I mean, it was unnecessary. You got a yellow card before and then you're still behaving rush, I think. But we'll deal with it. From a club level, so at the end of the day, we will have to fix the discipline in the club. So you get a yellow card before, so you need to control yourself. You can't just continue to play rash. So you expect that this player is a senior player. So you expect him to have his head and his body. So when a senior player like that do something like that, then we have to deal with it at the club level at the end of the day.
Red card issue was also the problem at Compound, where Harbourview hosted Malines United in a 0-0 draw. Rashawn Oldfield of Harbourview was the first to be given his marching orders when he left in the 60th minute. Malines United tried to keep 11 men on the field, but was let down by Romario McPherson 5 minutes later. With McPherson looking like he wouldn't have lasted the 90 minutes, the coaching staff decided to remove him. But before the game restarted, McPherson was red-carded for kicking the ball within the Harbourview's bench, and as a result, his replacement was asked to leave the field as well.
I think there's something with the rule that states that if a player, in order for the substitution to be completed, one has to leave and then the other player has to enter the pitch. So I'd have to check and get some clarification on it, not necessarily sure.
I thought it was a fair decision by the referee, to be honest. So no further comment. I thought it was a fair decision by the referee.
Also on the day, Mount Pleasant FA beat leaders Portmore United 2-0 at Ferdinita Park, Warner Brown getting both goals. And it ended 0-0 between home team Dumbarton and Chapelton Maroons, who have gone 7 matches without a win. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.